Wow, this hotel looks nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm a bit nervous though. I've never checked into a hotel in English before.
Don't worry, it's super easy. I'll help you.
Thanks. What should I say first?
When you walk up to the desk, just say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Got it. Hello, I have a reservation.
Perfect. Let's go.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Lisa Adams.
Let me check. Yes, here it is. A double room for 2 nights.
That's right.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. And could you please fill out this form?
Of course. Whispering. See? You're doing great.
Repeat after me. Practice section. Repeat after me. Hello, I have a reservation. May I see your passport, please? Could you fill out this form, please?
Lisa repeats, "Hello, I have a reservation. May I see your passport, please? Could you fill out this form, please?"
Excellent pronunciation.
Thank you, Ms. Adams. Here is your room key. You're in room 304 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you very much. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant downstairs.
Great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Mini speaking challenge.
Okay, Lisa. Now imagine you're checking in alone. Let's practice.
All right.
As receptionist, good evening. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation under the name Lisa Adams.
Great. May I see your passport?
Sure. Here you are.
Excellent. You sound natural.
Thank you. I'm getting better.
Summary and practice. Okay, what did we learn today?
I have a reservation to check in. May I see your passport, please? Polite hotel question. What time is breakfast? Common travel question. Could we have the key, please? To ask politely. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. What time is breakfast? Could we have the key, please?
Perfect. You'll never have trouble at hotels again.
Yep, next time I'll sound like a real traveler.
Great job, everyone. Next time you stay at a hotel, try speaking English, even just one sentence.
Yes, every time you practice, you grow more confident.
Exactly. See you in the next episode, At the Doctor's Office, Health English. Both, bye.